And I'm back, Billy Deplorable here. I'm showing you my car pie that I've made with touchscreen pie. And basically, what I wanted to show you guys is why I came back so quick, I guess, is to show you that I do have it running off of LED pixels. These pixels will actually be able to be controlled. I'll have LED strips in the car, under the dash, you know what I mean, in the truck under the dash. It'll all be hidden. All you'll be able to see is lighting. But the idea is that I can hit a button and light anything up I want, or run a program and light up any of the lights in any order that I want. Each one of these lights is numbered just like on an LED strip, so I can turn on any light at a certain time and tell other lights to stay off. So it's pretty cool how all that works. I have that running to an Arduino right now. This is my Arduino Nano. These things are cool too. So this is another little mini computer. This guy will operate lighting and a lot of other things, trust me. So what that does is it gives the think time, it makes the think time a lot less for this guy. It takes the weight off of it so that it's not doing so much work. At any rate, that's why I came back. I wanted to show everybody how that worked and what it looked like and why I was doing what I was doing. So these can be placed out through a vehicle or anything and actually controlled just from this guy. Now all I have to do is add a Bluetooth device, and I can literally add this anywhere in my vehicle without the USB, and just use Bluetooth to upload to it. Kind of cool how that works. A little more advanced, I guess, but not really. If you're going to get into this stuff, get into the Bluetooth and get into the coding, programming, Python, stuff like that. Don't just get in here and, you know, throw stuff on the screen, but try to learn as much as you can. Anyway, Billy Deplorable checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.